Today's episode is all about video email marketing. We'll discuss how to embed video in email, when to use it, as well as go over some best practices for success. Hey everyone, Charlie here, Vidyard's social media manager. I spend a good portion of my days creating, sharing, and watching my fair share of video content, so I have a pretty good idea of what works and what doesn't. Today, we are going to be talking about injecting video content into your emails. Over the years, there's been plenty of claims that email marketing is dead. That's just simply not true. Email marketing is an important and thriving part of any marketing department strategy. Introducing videos into your email is one of the best ways that you can boost conversions. Videos are intriguing. They give you the opportunity to show rather than simply tell. And best of all, it's easy to insert and track videos in email, especially if you're using a dedicated video platform. So why should you use video in your emails? I wanted to share a couple stats that illustrate just how powerful video can be. First, just using the word video in your subject line can actually increase open rates by 19%. Second, video thumbnails can increase clicks as much as 50%. And third, using video in your email increases site traffic, which can have an impact on your SEO. So let's get started. First of all, how do you actually add a video to your email? Don't worry, it's much easier than it sounds. If you use a video platform, it'll give you the option to insert a video when you create an email campaign. In Vidyard, you select the share button next to a video in your library. Then click the embed option, open up your email campaigns tab, choose to link to either a sharing page or a custom link. And then copy the embed code to add the video thumbnail to your email marketing provider's HTML editor. If you don't have a video platform to embed the video in your email, we've got a few more steps to follow. Start by taking a screenshot of your video to use as the thumbnail. Then use a photo editing app like Canva to add a triangular play button so that people know that it's a video. Upload your video to a public hosting site, create a new email in your email software, add the video thumbnail, and link it to your video's URL. Make sure that the thumbnail's file name says what's in the video in case it doesn't load. You can add video into all different kinds of emails. In these cases, video works extremely well. Email blasts for campaigns or big promotions, targeted emails destined to push your base along the funnel, event invites so you can stand out against competitors vying for attention, event follow-ups so you can make that personal connection, customer communications to share new release or product updates, triggered and nurture emails to keep your base engaged, email signatures to add some flair to a boring email sign-off, and newsletters to give an overview of your featured content. So now that you know more about where to use video, let's talk about how to use it well. Here are a couple of the Vidyard team's top tips for crushing email sends using video. 1. Use the word video in your subject line. This sounds simple, but it really works. 2. Place your video below your email copy. Give it a brief intro so your reader has some context before they click play. 3. Enable your video to autoplay, but be sure to default the sound to off. This is because your viewer has already clicked play and you don't want to make them have to do it again. 4. Include captions. A lot of people watch videos without sound, so make sure that they still get the meat of your message. 5. Use an animated thumbnail to capture attention and entice recipients to click play. Those are a few of the Vidyard team's top tips for using video in email. Are you using video in your email? Let us know your advice, questions, tips, tricks in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.